Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to convert vector to raster as well as raster data types to vector data type in ArcGIS. As you know that vector data uses points, lines, and polygons which are used to represent discrete features with clear boundaries, while raster data uses a grid of cells or pixels to represent the continuous data and the phenomena. Open your ArcMap and go to Add Data. I am adding some vector data. This is Ethiopian River Basin vector data. Go to Arc Toolbox. Under Arc Toolbox, there is a conversion tools. Under conversion tool, we are going to convert vector to raster. Now, in order to know whether our vector data is a polyline, polygon, or point, open the attribute table. The shape of our vector data is a polygon. Therefore, double click on polygon to raster. Now the input feature is the vector data, Ethio Basin. The value field is, I want it to be based on the basin name. You can change the folder of your output or leave it as it is. Just click on OK. Wait a moment. The conversion is executing as a background. Now the conversion is completed successfully. This is Ethiopian River Basin raster data, which is converted from the vector data type. The second process is converting this raster to a vector. Go to the conversion tools. We are going to convert from raster to a polygon. Double click from raster to polygon. The input raster is a raster, and I want the field to be based on the basin name. You can check your output folder, click on OK. Now, I converted the raster to a vector data form successfully. You can check it by opening the attribute table. The shape is a polygon. Therefore, this is how you can convert vector to raster and raster to vector. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.